from the ears, took this section right here, and I used a technique called skimming technique. You're creating a lot of natural flowing layers with the tool of the blade. So the same technique, what we just skim cut the hair with, I'm going to use a different technique called twist and cut with the blade in the same way I've done the skimming technique all around the head. So all around the head I use the same technique, just called skimming. I'm going to use something different called twist and cut. Super cool, super like innovative, and I think it's a fun technique to keep the same lived-in texture going that what we've done. You don't really want to like pick up, in my opinion, a different tool because you've worked so hard to get that bouncy, like organic texture, and use a different tool and cut it off. But I've seen a lot. So we want to keep the same texture, just a different technique, showcasing you something else. And this will actually give the texture a bit more oomph. So you don't need to use a comb. You can just go in and just take sections what I look like they're a little bit too heavy, a little too thick, or a little bit more movement. Some of the movements that you want a little bit more of is probably going to be the rounding of the head and above, right? So that's where it's going to be more fuller, more thicker. That's when you want to use a pinch and cut technique. So you're going to go in, you take a section, you twist it, you pinch it, and you skim it out, right? You can pick it up, take a little section, you twist it, you pinch it, and you skim it off. Look at that. So I'm going to go all the way around the head. Twist it, you pinch it, skim it. So that actually gives it more volume on the rounding of the head. So you had a bit more of that 70s vertical layering. I absolutely adore this haircut.